Through color and movement, I've breathed new life into these historic portraits to show you how the most beautiful women of the past might look today. Graceful, delicate, unforgettable. Anna Pavlova was one of the greatest ballerinas in history. Her performance of The Dying Swan brought audiences to tears. She forever changed the world of ballet. Not much is known about Mrs. Murray, but her portrait became iconic for its striking features and quiet elegance. Sometimes, beauty doesn't need a story. Just one image is enough to leave a mark. Madari was exotic, mysterious, and dangerously beautiful. A dancer, a courtesan, and later an accused spy. Her charm crossed borders, but it also led to a tragic end. Constance Collier wasn't just an actress. She was a force. Tall, intense, and elegant. She lit up both stage and silent screen. Blanche Monier's story is as haunting as her face. Once a celebrated socialite, she was kept locked away for decades. Phyllis was a beloved Edwardian stage star. With bright eyes and irresistible charm, her face appeared on posters across Britain. Olga Demier, known for her aristocratic elegance, was a muse to many artists. Her portraits still carry mystery, poise, and timeless beauty. Marian Anderson broke every barrier with her voice. One of the first black women to perform at the Metropolitan Opera, her dignity and beauty went hand in hand.